Welcome back to the channel. Today we're discussing the automatic synchronization. This is the technology that ensures a seamless, reliable supply of electricity, which is absolutely vital for a vessel at sea. The goal of synchronization is to parallel two or more generators, to connect a standby generator to the running electrical busbar. This must be done with extreme precision, as an improper connection is dangerous, causing short circuits, massive power swings, and inevitably, a ship-wide blackout. Manual synchronization is a high-stakes skill, but modern ships rely on the automatic synchronizer unit to perform this task flawlessly, every single time. This unit is essentially a specialized computer within the main control panel, designed to achieve the three critical conditions for paralleling: voltage matching, frequency matching, and phase angle alignment. Let's break down its intelligence. First, voltage matching. The synchronizer continuously measures the voltage of the running busbar and the voltage of the incoming generator. It then sends precise automatic signals to the generator's automatic voltage regulator, or AVR. The AVR adjusts the excitation current to the generator's field windings until the incoming voltage is exactly equal to the busbar voltage. This step prevents the flow of unwanted reactive current once the breaker closes. Second, frequency matching. Frequency is the speed of the generator tied directly to the engine's RPM. The synchronizer compares the two frequencies and sends corrective signals to the engine's governor control. This electronic or hydraulic governor fine-tunes the engine's speed, bringing the incoming generator's frequency slightly higher than the running frequency. This slight difference is known as the fast closing principle. It guarantees the incoming machine will immediately take a positive real power load upon connection, instead of drawing power. Third, and most crucial, is phase angle alignment. The synchronizer monitors the phase difference between the two electrical waves. It must wait until the two waves are perfectly in phase, meaning the phase angle is 0 degrees. To achieve this, the synchronizer acts as a high-speed calculator. Knowing the mechanical closing delay of the circuit breaker, the fraction of a second it takes to physically close, the unit issues the breaker close command precisely ahead of time. It anticipates the zero crossing. If the timing is perfect, the circuit breaker closes at the exact instant the two electrical waves align perfectly, resulting in a smooth, shock-free connection. Once paralleled, the automatic synchronizer hands control over to the load-sharing module within the power management system, or PMS. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.